Okay.
Owl.
It's all right, teacher. So what are the 5 main parts? We have the flower,
Flower. Foot.
root,
แล้ว
leaf, stem, root.
root.
Now,
Yeah.
show me your plants. Show me your plant. Does your plant have root? Anda, does your plant have root? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because your plant have stem.
Teacher.
Ah,
Teacher, what is this?
I cannot see. What?
What is this?
That one?
Idea.
I think that one is the stem. Or it's the leaf that's growing out. Okay.
Teacher, look.
Okay, let's study first.
มีการเจริญเติบโตนะ one มันเป็นกีบเลี้ยง
Okay. Some root, the part of a plant that grows down into the earth to get food and water and holds the plant firm in the ground. So if you look at this picture, all roots are always under the ground. You cannot see roots going up, right? So they are always going down to get water and food from the soil because they can get nutrients from the soil. There are 2 types of roots. We have the tap root and then the fibrous root. Very good. So tap root, it has one root, only one big main root. Okay. Fibrous root has a lot of roots. They don't have big or small root. They are all the same size. They are thin roots. Thin or tiny roots. Next, the body. Stem is the stalk that supports the leaf, flower, or fruit, or it is the main body or the portion of a tree, shrub, or other plant which is above the ground. Same like the people or the human. We have, or they have also the body. We have also the body that holds our head, our arms, okay, so that we can stand. There are 2 kinds of stem. We have the herbaceous and then the woody stems. Okay, herbaceous stems, they are soft and color green. Woody stems are hard, rigid, and woody. What's the color of the stem of woody stems? Brown, because these stems are very strong and very hard. You cannot cut easily. All right?
Yes.
Xylem and phloem. These are the parts of a stem. Xylem transport what? Transports water
and moisture from the root to the leaf.
Okay. How about phloem?
This.
Phloem transports food from the leaves to the rest of the plants. You cannot see the phloem and xylem because these are inside the stem. All right, inside. Leaf or leaves. A flattened structure of a higher plant, typically green and blade-like, that is attached to a stem directly or via stalk. Leaves are the main organs of the photosynthesis and transpiration. So leaves make their own food also using the photosynthesis. So in photosynthesis, it has the chlorophyll. That chlorophyll are here. The photosynthesis, the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize food or to get food from the carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis has a green pigment which is called chlorophyll and generates or give us like oxygen as a byproduct. So what is photosynthesis? So photosynthesis from the Greek word photo means light and synthesis or putting together. So water plus carbon dioxide, you will get what? So water, carbon dioxide, light,
chlorophyll.
glucose plus
Oxygen.
oxygen. So that is the photosynthesis. What is chlorophyll?
Chlorophyll are green pigment present in all green plant.
It allows
The leaf to try the right energy from the sun.
Very good. So this one makes the food from the sunlight because it traps or it catch the light from the sunlight. It catches the light from the sun. So we have here the stomata. Stomata pores in leaf mostly on undersurface. So we cannot see this using our eyes. Okay, we can see the stomata using the microscope. And then each pore is surrounded by a pair of guard cells. Okay, so guard cells can change shape to open or close stomata. So guard cells, if it's open, it means it has sunlight. So if it's closed,
don't have
sunlight. Very good. So transpiration, it happens if the evaporation of water at the surface of the spongy mesophyll cells in leaves, followed by loss of water vapor through the stomata. So it happens like this. The roots will get the food or the water and the minerals and then go to the stem, moving out to the leaves. You understand? And then this one, it will turn into the what? The oxygen. Understand?
Yes.
So flowers are the reproductive parts of the flowering plants. They are also referred to as the most colorful and attractive part of a plant. They can be called also as bloom or blossom of a plant. So if you look at this video, they are very colorful, right? It has many color, or the flowers has different colors. So what are the functions of flowers? They are for reproduction. What is reproduction? To make another plant. Okay, to make young one. It attracts insects and other animals in prior to pollination. What is pollination? Same, to reproduce, right? So flower produces nectar. What is nectar? That is the sweet base or the glucose. Okay? So parts of a flower. We have the stamen, the anther, filament, petal, sepal, pedicel, receptacle, stigma, style, ovary, ovule, and pistil. Remember, stamen are for the, or stamens are for the male flower. Pistil are for the what? Pistils are for male or female?
Female.
Female. So first, petals and sepals. Petals attracts the insect and birds with their bright colors. Look, it has pink and orange. Sepals, special type of leaves that protects the flower when it is still a bud. This one, it protects, okay? So that the flower will not be destroyed. Next, parts of a male flower. We have the stamen. So contains egg for reproduction. Anther.
And produce purple.
Pollen grains. Filament. For the anther. Okay, so if you look here, this is the anther, right? So the filament supports the anther. It is like a stem. Understand? Like the body. Okay, and then if you put together anther and filament, it is called stamen. Right, Paifa?
Yes.
Next, parts of a female flower. We have here the pistil, stigma, style, ovule, and ovary. So pistil, the female part of the flower, stigma, style, ovary. Stigma has a sticky surface to collect pollen grains. Style holds the stigma upright so that it can easily collect pollen grains. Ovule contains egg for reproduction, and ovary contains the ovules, becomes the fruit after fertilization. So if you look here, these are the parts of the female flower, the yellow part only. Okay? This one, this one, this one, this one. These are for male flower. Next, complete flower has both male. Wait, let's go back to. Wait, I'm gonna share you another one. No, where is the other one? Wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna share you this one. Okay, can you see it? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, so let's
Yes.
this first.
Again.
Can you hear? Did you understand the video?
Yes.
You want me to play again?
Yes.
Yes.
Again, one more?
Yes. No. Yes.
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 One more?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
One more,
Yes.
huh? Okay.
No.
No.
Yes.
Wait,
ส
wait.
นุกแม่เนี้ย Yes.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So next, complete flower has both male and female parts. So it means these parts has what? It has the pistil and the stamen. Okay. So this one, they like rose flower and lily flower can
ลาก
make
ยาวมากแม่
another plant because they have the same male and female parts. While this one, incomplete flower like squash flower and then corn flower cannot make another flower because or another plant because they don't have either male and female parts. Did you understand?
Yes.
Correct. Okay, the largest plant, you know this, the Rafflesia Arnoldii.
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. So Rafflesia Arnoldii is the biggest or the largest plant or rainforest plant in India. Okay, Indonesia. It has 3 feet across and 15 pounds in kilo. 15 pounds in weight. The pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from male part to the female part of the flowers. So from here, going to there, male, female. So after that, if the wind blows, they will make another plant. So some flowers are not colored. They may rely on wind instead of animals for pollination. So fertilization, you know this, right? Okay, the function of the fruits. So what are the function? The fruits fertilize, ovule develops into a seed while the ovary develops into fruit. So some seeds have only one seed, like the avocado. It has one but big seed. While the papaya has many seeds, but they are very small. You understand?
Yes.
Correct. So fruits help to protect the seeds from the environment while the seed develop fruits. Fruits also help disperse seed to the areas far away from the parent plants. And then sweet and juicy fruit attracts such as monkeys and birds, which bring the seed to new areas. Like this one. The monkey will not eat the seed, so this one will show or will throw the seed only, and then after that, that seed will turn into a new plant. Understand? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
other fruits may be dispersed by the wind, water, or the splitting of the fruit. So these are them. So next, get your workbook. Open it on page 2. Page 2. Okay, so I will get the, what is this? Wait a minute. Wait. Wait. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, you can see the answer. Okay. So, which part is W? Let's start with letter U. Letter U, what is letter U?
Filament.
Huh?
Filament.
Filament. Very good. So, right, filament. How about UV?
Tata.
Huh? Style. Spell style. Spell. S. Style. That is the style. W. What is W?
Detail.
Huh?
Tail.
Again?
Detail.
Petal, not petal. 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 Not petal. Anatep. Petal. You say petal.
Detail.
Okay. That petal, not petal. Petal. Okay. What is X? What is X?
Sigma.
Very good. Y.
Enter.
The answer. And then Z.
Over. River.
Huh? That is the ovule. Ovule. Very good. Finish.
Yes.
What is the function of part labeled W? Okay, W, petal. What is the function of petal? Petal is?
Petal.
What is petal?
Petal is a flower.
Yeah? Petal is? What is petal? Petal?
Action is insect and bird.
Okay, so attracts the insect and birds. So this is the answer. Okay, petal. Okay, attracts insects and birds with their bright color. Finish?
No.
Finish?
Teacher, finish. No.
Faster, faster.
Finish.
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 Okay.
Finish. No.
Okay.
I want to sleep. Finish. I want to.
If you are finished, wait for the others, okay?
No, finish.
Okay, faster, ito na tap.
You see lock teacher. See lock. Teacher. See?
Yes, I see the seed.
Finish.
All right, finish.
No.
No?
Yes. Yes, teacher. I finished. Not finished.
Okay, okay. I will wait. I will wait. I will wait. It's all right.
Finish. I want to sleep. Yeah, finish. I want to sleep มันง่วงมาก
Next. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, answer is on your workbook.
Workbook.
Yes, your workbook. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, what is it? Recording in progress.
Next.
Hello.
What will happen if W is removed from the plants? What is W here? W. What will happen if we remove W? What will happen? It will not attract insects and birds, and nothing will protect the reproductive of the flower. Oh, why is it of the reproductive?
Teacher, not finished.
Oh, not finished. Yes. Here. Okay. Next. Letter D.
Teacher, not finished.
It's okay.
Not finished.
It's okay. Let's do this. What is the function of part labeled C? Okay.
Teacher, finish. Number C.
Letter C, not number C. Letter C.
Teacher, finish letter C.
Okay. Teacher, if my phone is finished, you can remove my phone. Please. Okay. Letter D. What is the function of the part labeled C? What is letter Z? That is the
Letter C.
this one. The stigma, right?
Over.
The ovule.
Ovule.
What is the function of ovule?
I don't know.
Okay. So ovule, it contains the egg for reproduction. Letter E. What will happen if Z is removed from the plant? Example, this one, letter Z. I remove. Okay, or I erase, I delete. What will happen to the plant?
It will not contact the egg for response.
Okay, it cannot protect. Very good. So, the plant will not reproduce egg. Okay? Or the plant will not.
Teacher,
Oh. Okay. Uy. So, the plant will not reproduce because there is no ovule.
Teacher, finish. Not finish.
Okay, I can wait. I can wait.
O T
Teacher, finish.
R E P R O D U C E. Finish.
Finish.
Okay. Next. Finish.
Yeah, not finish.
Okay, I will wait.
Finish, teacher.
Very good.
Teacher, look.
What is that?
Teacher คิดว่า กี่วันที่ถึงจะโตขนาดนี้
Okay.
กี่วัน วันที่สองถึงวันเนี่ย
ที่เชื่อฟังภาษาไทยไม่ออกยังจะพูดอีกเนาะ
Teacher John. Okay, okay only. Okay, okay. Finish?
Yes.
Okay. So next
4
is
day.
okay.
Teacher 4 day.
Each fruit can contain only one seed. True or false?
True.
Each fruit has one seed only. True or false?
False.
False. Very good. Next, fruits protect the seeds inside them. So this is the seed, right? So the fruit protects. True.
True.
Next, a fruit develops from an ovary.
True.
True. All fruits depend on animals for seed dispersal.
False.
False, because it has also the wind dispersal. Last one.
True.
Some fruits are sweet and juicy to attract animals to feed on them. What's the answer?
True.
Very good.
Teacher, finish.
Finish?
Teacher. Finish.
Did you understand?
แป๊บนึงนะ Teacher,
Yes.
แป๊บนึงนะ
Did you understand?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so that's it. And let's take picture first, okay? Turn on your camera. Turn on your camera. Bye.